Hello, I'm Vadim, and today I'll be showing you all the new and exciting changes in Nagios Log Server R2. For those of you wondering what Nagios Log Server is, NLS is a logging software that captures and stores logs from multiple systems, applications, and devices all into one location. Some changes include a new backend, UI, dashboards, queries, and reports. Let's take a look at some of those new changes. The new NLS R2 now has a new OpenSearch backend. There is a new UI to better match our monitoring solution called Nagios XI. This new UI can be easier to navigate, so you could create customizable dashboards or use our pre-made templates. These new dashboards are no longer using Kibana because our dev team created an amazing way to show logs, charts, and graphs by creating our own visualization solution. This can be a very helpful tool when you need a quick glance at the most critical servers to see any errors or lockouts. There are new changes with our query searches by having natural language prompts. This makes it easy to start typing a common 404 error, and it finds the correct prompt so that you can filter your data. You also have the option to create custom reports. There are a few templates that we have provided to you for you to quickly get reports into your inbox. By upgrading to NLS R2, you can quickly sift through logs and get problems resolved fast. What are you waiting for? Download Nagios Log Server now and start getting all your devices logged all in one place. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed our video, check out our YouTube channel for more helpful content. I'll see you in the next one.